Are you done being bored yet? And are you willing to really take ownership of what you learn and how you learn? I ask those two questions because AAI demands from its students that level of engagement. Right? It's not just being told what to do, it's creating that pathway. And you have to take a self-interest both in your education as well as in your self-improvement if you're going to be successful here. Because a lot of times students, they don't know what to expect. They've been told their whole lives what to do and how to do it. So it really gets them thinking about, well, what can I do? You know, what are the limits? And that's exactly the mentality that we want to think, right? What is your potential? I think back to my own experience as a student. I was very successful in school, but I also was just kind of bored. Did whatever I was told, didn't take me very long to do it, and just kind of went through the system. But if I would have had the opportunity and somebody sitting there telling me, look, what you get out of this is up to you. And you can do almost anything. So what do you want to do? If somebody would have had that conversation with me, I think it would have unlocked other possibilities that I had not yet considered.